Hello everyone, I'm David, Panasonic's automatic door distributor. Welcome to this brief introduction on how I've become Panasonic's new generation distributor. Let's begin with our traditional sales model. Firstly, we need to buy operators. Secondly, select frame materials. Buy and install glass. Install the complete automatic door on site. And finally, provide maintenance and after-sales service. These professional processes require our distributors to be good at management, have customers, and be familiar with technology. But today, all of this has changed. Panasonic sub-dealers can be women or men from any profession. Let's follow Lily, who is a florist, to experience the new marketing model. Lily's aunt now needs an automatic door, so she provides the construction drawings. And then Lily calls Panasonic's hotline. Hello Lily, what can I do for you? Step 1. Select materials. Distributors will select operators and frames according to the door weight and place of installation. Panasonic provides 30, 40, 70 and other frame options. We also have a variety of colours to choose from, such as silver and black. The colour of Lily's aunt's building is light blue, so we recommend she chooses the bright silver aluminium alloy frame. Step 2. Draw graphics and confirm. Our drafting staff drew the plan within 3 hours and received confirmation immediately from Lily and her customer. Step 3. Manufacturing. The production lead time is short and quality workmanship is guaranteed. Step 4. Installing and maintaining. The complete automatic door will be delivered to the construction site, and Panasonic's authorized distributors, technical engineers, will install it. We have a well-developed professional service network with many nationwide outlets to meet your requirements. By now, Lily has finished her first order, easily and smoothly. You are welcome to become Panasonic's new generation automatic door distributor. I believe we will have a wonderful working relationship.